Good morning, children. Now open your classwork, Amma. First, already put a heading even and odd numbers. Yes. Let's see. I write on these even and odd numbers. Write this heading, Amma. Now write on this. What is the even numbers means? The numbers that can be arranged in pairs are called even numbers. What is that? The numbers that can be arranged in pairs are called even numbers and the others are called odd numbers. Example for even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Now next odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What is the even numbers, ma'am? We are arranging the numbers in a pairs. Means 2 గా divide చేసి in a you getting some group అమ్మా. ఆ గ్రూప్లో ఒక 10 పెన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 10 పెన్స్ని 2 గ్రూప్గా డివైడ్ చేయాలి. ఎస్ 2 పేర్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ద ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. ఓకే, ఐ మీన్ 2 is the same color, 2 is the in a 10 pencilsలో 2 are same colors. Means 2 are same size, same colors, like same. So, one pair, 2 for one pair. So 2 pair ga divide cheyabadte the 10 is the even number and otherwise it's a not a even number. Now please copy this. So what is the even number and what is the odd number? Finish? Now next I will explain just. Don't write in your classwork, amma. Okay, we can understand what is the even number and what is the odd number. For example, one more example, amma. Now, okay, these are stars, these are diamonds. Okay, now these stars we are how many pairs am I in these stars? 1, 2 and 3 pairs. Yes, these stars are 3 pairs is a 6. How many stars? 6 stars, 3 pairs. In diamonds only 2 pairs, one is the left. Yes, 2 pairs, one is the left. So here how many are there? 5 diamonds. So this is the 6 pairs. Total complete happens. 6 pairs complete. Anyone is left here? No left. But here 2 pairs is there. Still here one is left. So this is a 6 is the even number. This because this complete pairs. So here not left here. So this 6 is the even number. Now here this 2 is the 2 pairs and 1 is the left. So this 5 is the odd number. This 6 is the even number. This 5 is the odd number. Now ఈవెన్ నెంబర్లో పేర్స్ అనేవి కంప్లీట్గా ఉండాలి. ఎలా ఒకటి కూడా లెఫ్ట్ అవ్వద్దు. అలా లెఫ్ట్ అవ్వకుండా కంప్లీట్ పేర్ అయింది అనుకోండి, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్. నౌ లుక్ ఎట్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ అమ్మా. దిస్ ఇస్ డూ ఇన్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. Tick the boxes which have even number of items and cross the boxes which have odd number of items. Now here, count the children's first. In a first box, how many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ice creams are there. How many pairs? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 pairs, 8 ice creams. So this is a complete pair అయిపోయింది. ఎస్, ఒక ఐస్ క్రీమ్ కూడా లెఫ్ట్ అవ్వలేదు. హియర్ 3 ఐస్ క్రీమ్స్ అదే కదా. సో 2 is the one of the pair and 1 is the left. 1 లెఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో విచ్ వన్ is the even number? First box is the even number because here 4 pairs are there. No one is the left. Complete అయిపోయింది pairs. So this is the even number and other one is the odd number. So your ticket to first box, tick it, and second box cross it because this is a not even number. Now next, what is doing your test book amma? This is your homework. Page number వచ్చేసి 51. Now next, one more example here. Here getting some apples amma. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples. So 7 apples are there. So how many pairs? 7 apples means how many pairs? 1, 2, 3. 3 pairs. 1 apple is the left. So this is a not a even number. So you cross it this. Now next, here getting only 2 apples. That is the one of the pair. Still here any apples are there? No apples are there. So this is the even number. 2 is there and 2 is the one of the pair. No one is the left. So this is the even number. You tick to correct mark. This is your tick to wrong mark. Now next, your next one amma, here how many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1. Now next, now how many pairs? 2 pairs. Here these are 3. Now only 1 pair, 1 is the left. So this is the odd number. You cross it to second one wrong, first one you tick to correct mark. Okay, because here 2 pairs is a complete, no one is left. Okay amma, this is a even number, so you correct to this and you cross to this second one. Now next one, let's I will explain in the next class. That bit, what is it today homework? Do page number 51 in test book. Okay, 51 and 52. Okay amma. Okay amma, thank you.